Hey, what's up guys, the French Monkey here, and today I wanted to showcase my new add-on for Blender, the NodeRack add-on. This is a search node system which creates a rack on the tab here, as you can see, and from there you can search, load in pretty much any node that you want, and it comes with a couple more functionality as I'm going to show you. So let's jump inside of Blender, and as you can see here, I have my geometry node and the shader editor. So this is also available in the compositors tab. Let's add a new geometry node and a new shader editor. And as you can see, now we have access to all of the nodes that are inside of this panel, and everything is categorized properly. As you can see here with the colors, the categories, and it's very useful to work with. So you can come here, select a node, and it will just put it inside of your node system. You can go to the output, textures, and there's also a search feature which is live, so you can type, and as you can see here, this works on both of them. So I'm going to take the color ramp for example, vector. So yeah, you can also close the categories. And a nice little add-on that I wanted to have was to be able to save some of your favorites node that you are using constantly. So as you can see here, I can favorite some of my nodes. So I can go here, favorite some nodes, and they will appear here on the top, and I can load them that way, or and favorite them. And the nice other feature is the custom presets. So the custom presets will be able to save your node setup. So let's create here a node, a random node, and I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to go to save. I'm going to enter a name. You can have a hover description. So I'm just going to write just testing. And you can also use a custom color. So in this case, I'm going to go with this, and as you can see now my preset is listed here. If I hover over it, I have the description, and if I click on it, I can load my custom node back, which is very useful. And this is only for the shader editor. I have another one for the geometry node so that you don't get confused, right? So here, as you can see, I do have some favorite in my shader editor, but not in my geometry node. So here I can save some other nodes. And yeah, it's something that I really wanted to have. I don't know, for some reason, it's just so much easier to look through nodes this way. So this also works with the zone. So as you can see, the zone and the simulation is a little bit weirder because they have two different node setups. So I had to fix that as well. And yeah, so this also comes in the compositors tab. So I'm going to use node, and now we have access to all of my node inside of the compositor. So the gamma, the color correction, tone map. And I don't know what most of this does, but I do have a description. If you hover over them, sunbeam, there's a lot of nodes here that I wouldn't really see this way that existed. Like this one, I never really ever saw it inside of the compositors node. So yeah, it's nice to have it here. Box mask, so what this does, rectangular mask, okay. Chroma key, so yeah, very, very helpful node rack to have. And you can get this NodeRack now on my Gumroad. So the minimum version is 4.2, and this will work for version up to 5 and even more at this point. And another note is that I did release the TFMSTYLE add-on collection for Blender, which has over 27 add-ons, but you can also purchase every single add-on as a standalone add-on for Blender. And I would really recommend get the framer one. The framer is very a nice one to have. The NodeRack, the rescaler as well, very useful one. And of course, if you need very specific types of add-ons like the displayer or even the ramp, you can check these out. So yeah, and I will have these in the description down below. I will see you guys in the next one.